Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to create a talking avatar with DID Creative Reality Studio. DID is a generated AI that can create and interact with talking avatars at the touch of a button to increase engagement and reduce costs. As we know, creating talking avatars has become increasingly popular as businesses and individuals seek new and innovative ways to engage with their audiences. Thanks to the power of artificial intelligence, AI, it's now possible to create lifelike avatars that can speak just like real people. Before we start, let's generate a script with ChatGPT to guide us through the process. Once the script is ready, we can begin by navigating to the DID website and signing up for an account. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the DID dashboard, where you can create new AI-generated avatars. To create a talking avatar from scratch, simply click Create Video. Then follow these 3 simple steps. First, select your avatar from the avatar list or upload your own from your computer. I'll show you how to upload an avatar from your computer today. Once you've uploaded your avatar, choose it from the avatar list to use as your talking avatar. Second, add your script to the script list. This will ensure that your talking avatar knows exactly what to say. Then select the language, voice, and style you like. Finally, click Generate Videos to create your talking avatar. It may take a few moments to generate the video, but once it's ready, you'll be able to see your avatar come to life and speak your script. Let's take a look at how it's done. In an AI-powered world, machines and software use algorithms to analyze data, recognize patterns, and make predictions with accuracy. AI is used in various applications, from autonomous vehicles and voice assistants to medical diagnosis and financial analysis, creating new opportunities for innovation and growth while raising ethical concerns.